Hey guys! Noah here, welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time stumbling on one of my videos, then hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy my plant room today. Before we jump into the video, I just want to say it's so crazy that I have not filmed in so long. You guys know I was moving into this new house and I should have planned it better and had my content ready to go, but honestly I was so overwhelmed with the whole home buying process and everything that came along with it, and I just wasn't prepared, honestly. So I wasn't able to film much moving content. I did do an empty house tour, so if you haven't seen that, definitely make sure you check that out before this video so you guys can see where my plant room is going in my home. But yeah, I'm sorry that I haven't filmed. Honestly, I feel really bad, and it actually, like, I feel bad that I don't have content for you guys, but I also am feeling bad myself. Like, I miss filming. So I'm really happy to be filming today, and I really want to share with you guys my plant room because never in my wildest dreams did I think I would have a whole room for basically like my passion and my office space. And it's actually a pretty decent sized room. I actually think it's a pretty large room. So I'm really happy and thankful and grateful. All my hard work has paid off, and I'm so excited to share with you guys my room. So I'm gonna jump behind the camera and show you guys my plant room. Let's go. All right, so when you first walk into my room, this is the door, and I actually have this like random little space that the door comes out to like here. So I'm thinking I could put some shelves here or like do something there, but I haven't done anything yet. And then right over here, you'll see a little plant shelf, and I actually just have like 2 or 3 plants on there really, and then I have just most of my empty pots right now, and then my soil mixture and some cleaning supplies. I do eventually want to get something nice to organize this with so that it looks a little bit better, but for now it's not bad. And then to the left of that is my desk, and I found this on Facebook Marketplace for like $100. I'm not even sure what the normal price is, but I know it's more than that at IKEA. And then I did hang a little plant shelf up here with just a few plants that don't really need much light. But I did install grow lights into my ceiling fan. I took off that like bulb that comes on them, and I took out the lights that were in there and I put in grow lights. Now, maybe you guys can let me know in the comments down below, but I'm pretty sure they're not doing too much just because they're so far from all the plants. But I do think that they do get some of it. So it definitely brightens up the room a lot. So I think that it's doing something, but I know it's not doing much. That's why each shelf does have its own set of grow lights. And all my grow lights, just so you guys know, are set on a timer. So I don't have to physically bend over and plug them in every day. They turn on and off on their own, and I do from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. pretty much. So yeah, that's that, because people were asking me about that. So yeah, I have my desk, and then I have a ring light right here, and it's really nice to have an area where I don't have to like put it away. Do you know what I mean? Like at my old apartment, I used to have to turn it off, fold it up, put it under my bed. That was the only place that it fit, and now I actually can just leave it out and use it. I do want to give you guys an overview of this area because I ordered a futon for this section right here so that when I do have guests, they can spend the night here. It's really nice. It's like brown leather, so I'll definitely share with you guys when I do get it. I guess we could start over here. I have an IKEA Vitro single plant shelf. I did put 2 grow lights on the bottom, but I don't have any for the top 2, so I definitely need to order more so I can get rid of that like bar. And I just like the strip lights. I think they're more powerful and they work better, so I definitely need to get more of those. These are all plants that are available on my Etsy plant shop. And then I do have some propagations up top right now. So I just have my marble queens. I'm not really doing a plant tour, but just a bunch of random stuff. Some still typicanas, 10 Atrabui moonlights, and then this one is rehabbing, so it's on its own right there. And then I need to find somewhere to put my soil. This closet that I have in this room is pretty large, and if you can already believe it, it's full. And it's mostly because it's shipping materials that I need, like all that up there is packing stuffing, like package stuffing. I do have all my jackets in here, but then I also have like all my boxes for shipping. I have all my soil mixtures. Those are full with plant stuff, and then more packing material. So it's a mess. I definitely need to organize this, but not gonna do it yet. I have too many other things to worry about. So that's the closet. And then again, the futon will go right here. And here is one of my double Vitjo IKEA shelves. And the 2 rows on the bottom are plants that I have in my shop. And then the top is like kind of my collection. It's just the larger ones. So I didn't put the glass shelf right here so that these could stick up and grow. So yeah, that's that. And then in the middle here, these plants are pretty much getting light from the window. I did close the window just for this video, but it is always open. So I've got some hanging plants and then some climbing plants. It's just the kind of a mixture. I'll probably clean this up and make it look nicer. I have my collected rainwater right there. And yeah, over here, this is actually my plant shelf. So these are all my plants in my collection. I do take cuttings from them, so they're kind of like the mother plants as well. And that's how I sell and make my plants for the shop. So yeah, these are all my babies. I wanted them super close to me, to my desk, so I can see them. And I definitely downsized a lot during the move, so I will be getting some new plants as well. If you guys want a full plant tour, definitely let me know. Leave it in the comments down below. And then I just have some random plants right there that I feel like don't do well with too much of the grow light, so I kind of have them off on their own. But I'll probably get something here just to put them all on, and I'll probably hang shelves as well. Or maybe get another Vitjo unit. Honestly, like those are just the best. So yeah, I'll figure out something to do there. Right now it's a work in progress, but I feel like it looks pretty good for like what I've done so far. I'm really, really happy with it. And let me know if you guys have any advice for what to do in the comments down below. Eventually, yes, I want to get hardwood floors in here. We ordered some for the living room, so we'll see how it goes, if we like it and all that. And then I'll order more for this room. But yeah, so far, this is what it's looking like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. All right, so that's the end of this video. If you guys are not subscribed, I would really, really, really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to my channel. I do a ton of fun planty content, so if you're interested in plants like I am, then definitely make sure you subscribe, and I will I'm not too sure what schedule I'm gonna go back to. Hopefully I can keep the same Thursday and Sunday twice a week, but for now I'll just be doing Sundays once a week. Definitely make sure you have hit the bell notification if you are subscribed so that you get notified when I update a new video, and always follow me on Instagram because I do post updates on there more frequently. But with that all being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!